completely different. So we have all these rules around if you're going to go buy a big chunk of a company and you're speaking publicly about that beforehand, they can match those up and say, well, what were you doing here? And your future ability to buy stock can be impeded if you break those rules. If you're issuing stock, you have to be very specific about the things you say, and they have to be based in fact. They can't just be speculation. There are really specific rules around that. The problem is, on the way down, if you're shorting a stock, none of those rules, or most of those rules, don't really exist. And this has been a long-standing problem. There's a guy who wrote a great op-ed in the Globe and Mail a while ago about a specific case that really sort of highlighted a lot of these problems.
We change into the same lane. So did I!